Is your lawn getting too much water or not enough? Most people guess, and that's exactly why their grass struggles. Let's make it simple. First, overwatering. If your lawn is getting too much water, you'll notice the grass feels soft and spongy. The soil stays wet for a long time, and sometimes the grass turns yellow. Why? Because roots don't get enough oxygen. Too much water suffocates them. You might also see fungus or disease. Now, underwatering. This looks completely different. Grass becomes dry, thin, and starts turning brown. It may feel hard under your feet, and when you step on it, it doesn't bounce back quickly. That's a clear sign it needs water. So, how do you fix this? If you're overwatering, reduce how often you water. Let the soil dry out slightly between sessions, and always water deeply, not frequently. If you're underwatering, increase watering, but do it properly. Soak the soil so water reaches deep roots. Now here's the key. Healthy grass doesn't need water every day. It needs the right amount at the right time. So stop guessing. Check your lawn. Look at the signs and adjust your watering based on what you see. Do that, and your lawn will recover faster than you think. Subscribe for more simple lawn care tips and turn your grass into something exceptional.